So I found Pure Energy through actually my condo association because they were chosen, I guess selected by our association who vetted a lot of different companies and thought that Pure Energy really had the best product for our association. So I needed a door wall replaced. I had one of my door walls was starting to get foggy and I knew I had to replace that. And most of my windows were the same age, but I wasn't thinking I would do everything at once. And then Adrian came by, as he deals with everyone in this association. He came by and gave me, the sales pitch, told me all about the product, demonstrated how it worked, and really had some good discussions about it. And I made the decision to replace everything at once because I figured, instead of doing it piecemeal, probably would be more efficient, increase the value of this place even more. So the installation was so efficient. Ray and his crew, they arrived here right when they said they would. He had about 7 or 8 people with him and they pretty much got everything done in one day, which was absolutely amazing. And they covered everything up so that you didn't get everything dirty and destroy everything. They cleaned up afterwards. I was just astounded by how quickly they worked. Really, I was in my study because I was working remotely that day and went out about noon. They were working on several windows at once. And I just, again, can't say enough great things about the job that they did and the effort that they put in to make sure that I was comfortable with what they were doing here. So I really appreciated having him here and just kind of explaining everything that was going on. And but they went at it and knocked it out really quickly. So far, I'm just amazingly happy. It looks beautiful. I'm anxious to see my new heating bills and to see how they're impacted, hopefully in a really good way, but I think they will be. So I'm really glad that I just made the decision to go with Pure Energy and get all my windows replaced.